Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to track project progress in Wrike step by step. If you're managing a project and want to clearly see what's done, what's stuck, and what's coming next, yeah, this is exactly what you need. All right, first, open the project you want to track. You can find it from the left sidebar under your spaces or folders. Once the project is open, look at the task statuses. Tasks marked as active, in progress, or completed give you a quick overview of how far the project has moved. Now switch to board view. This shows tasks in columns based on status. So you can visually see work moving from to do to in progress to done. Next, check task due dates. Look for overdue tasks or deadlines coming up soon. This helps you spot delays before they turn into bigger problems. For a bigger picture, switch to timeline view. This shows tasks across time, making it easier to see overlaps, gaps, and dependencies. I mean, it's great for planning ahead. To understand what's really happening, open task comments, team updates, questions, and blockers usually show up here. So progress isn't just numbers, it's context. You can also use the activity feed to track project movement. Status changes, completed tasks, and new comments all appear here in real time. And that's how to track project progress in Wrike step by step. When you check progress regularly, projects stay on schedule and surprises stay small. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.